I'm King Peppa. I'm the king.
I love this episode. Wow, my favorite character is Peppa Pig.
King
That's
Peppa
crazy.
is enjoying being king of the playgroup.
So,
He really likes all the yummy food.
Oh,
let's
thank you,
discuss
Andy.
about this
I love
episode.
raisins.
What's the best?
But I am getting very full.
Now, Pedro Pony is the king of the playgroup.
I say everyone has
Oh,
Why, Mr. Highness? Because hopping is fun.
King Pedro is right. Hopping is fun.
Very good hopping, Danny. Well, thank you, King Pedro. Hop, hop.
King Pedro, you said everyone should hop. That means you should too.
Oh, that's right.
I think Peppa Pig is the main character and a cheeky, lovable little pig who loves jumping in muddy puddles. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, I said
So,
everyone has to.
and George Pig is Peppa's younger brother. And Peppa is a female, okay? It's not a male.
Now everyone has to be loud.
I love Daddy Pig.
Everyone is enjoying King
Daddy Pig is a jolly. Daddy Pig is actually has a big tummy and often claims to be an expert at everything, but he always do. He always disturbing everything. And must subscribe me, okay? Must subscribe me.
King George says that everyone should dinosaur. Everyone loves being king of the playgroup, but everyone loves being dinosaurs even.
Are volcanoes real, Madam Gazelle?
They are. But do not worry, children. There are no volcanoes close by.
Hooray!
Except the little pretend ones that we are going to make for today's very special science experiment.
Peppa's favorite toy is her teddy bear and George's favorite toy is her dinosaur. Okay,
First, you dip
amazing.
the paper in the glue, and then you stick it all to the beaker, and voila! A volcano!
Everyone is enjoying making their volcanoes. The glue is very sticky and
I don't know why Peppa's family always using red color. Why he did not choose blue, yellow, or something else. Mostly 80% he used red color.
volcanoes are dark
I don't know
and grey with red
what's
lava.
the
But Peppa
benefit
and her
behind
friends
this.
are making their
So-
mini volcanoes bright and colourful. Now it is time for the science experiment. But first, everyone must put on special gloves, glasses, and coats to make
Most
sure
probably
they are safe.
every episode ends with laughter. Usually everyone falling on their backs, giggling.
Ready to make
So the show uses simple animation and cheerful music to entertain and educate. It's best for adults and children. So it's best amazing.
First, we add some vinegar to our volcanoes. Be careful not to spill.
Oh,
Perfect. And now I will
That's
add a
and must
secret
subscribe me,
magic
okay?
ingredient
Must
to each of
subscribe
your
me.
volcanoes.
And I think
Nobody
I
knows
gave
what the special magic
I gave this
ingredient
episode
is.
out of
Now,
9.5
I will
rating,
add a
like
secret
9.5
magic
rating out of 10,
ingredient
and
to each of your
most probably
volcanoes.
Nobody
in the
knows
description
what the
I will
special
put the
magic
link so
ingredient
you can
is.
check there
Finally,
and
take a
watch
cup of
full
baking
episode.
soda and
So
pour a little
on her
inside the
official page.
volcano. Then stand back.
Madame Gazelle's volcano is erupting just like a real volcano.
Your turn, children.
Do you know, basically Peppa Pig has been translated into 40 language. Oh, and is loved by kids worldwide. The show teaches life lessons and about friendship, kindness, sharing, and family friendship, and everything he teaches us. So it's the best show for our kids, for our adults, and everybody like it. It's a very good animation, very colorful, very simple. So everybody understand clearly. So you can watch her full episode on her official page. Her official page name is Peppa Pig Official. So